Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily complete the trigger bread with no flour quest in Heartopia. So in this Call of Wheels event week 4, you will receive this quest, the trigger bread with no flour. And to complete it actually is very easy. Maybe some player will a little confusing about to complete this quest, but in this tutorial I will show you how to complete it more easily. You just need to go to your stove and then just start cooking any recipe, just any recipe that you have. For example, in here maybe I want to cook latte, this one, and then next just simply tap start cooking and then just keep cooking repeatedly until you will see a special notifications that appear on top of your screen. It will say something like meal with no flour or a similar cooking notifications. Just keep repeatedly until you will get that notifications. Just keep cooking, and as soon as the notifications appear, the quest will automatically be complete and you can claim your rewards right away. And in here you don't need any special ingredients or specific recipe, just keep cooking until the notification shows up. And just a quick tip, if your cooking hobby level is still low, the notification may take a little longer to appear, so just try leveling your cookings at least level 3 to make the process much easier. And okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!